What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. It's Thursday, the 28th. I did take a trade yesterday. I didn't record it because I had work, so I took a trade on my phone. But basically, what happened was 9:30 open. I saw this move down. I thought I was gonna reject. I entered with one con, and luckily, I saw the break here around this level, around this order block, and it disrespected this fair value gap. So it became inverse, and I stopped myself out at like $60. I wasn't gonna wait until full stop loss hit. I was just on my phone. I was at work. I wasn't in the right setup, right mindset, whatever. I actually fucking injured myself so bad. Like, I can barely move my left arm. It's hard for me to take off a shirt. I don't know what happened. I guess I slept wrong. Just haven't been in routine. But as you can see, we're bearish. We started dumping yesterday. Bearish. If I were on the charts, I would have waited for this retest in this zone. This swing high right here. Just perfect. And then went for a 1 to 2. But we still have 15 minutes. I already did my daily bias, our markings for today. So I'd want to see price break below this point and come back down if we are fully bearish. But yeah, we're still bearish. Hasn't broken this high. It's a good sign. If it breaks this high, then maybe I'll catch that. But I'll be back in 15 minutes. Alright, market has opened. I have this 15-minute supply. It's basically disrespecting it. I wanted to see a reverse right here, and then disrespect this fair value gap, and then look for a short. But if we are bullish right here, if we break past this swing high, I will be looking for buys. I'll just wait for that retest into this zone and go. But not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah. It's just fully breaking my supply, which is alright. Let's see if it rejects this swing high and then dumps back. What if it dumps back? It might reject off this fair value gap. Actually, no, it's actually not closing. But need to see a strong rejection. It's 2 minutes into market open. It's alright. I'm not taking any impulsive trades. I do want to see this get broken, and then I'll go for this. Basically right here. And target these lows. So 50 points. Yeah, this is the ideal. See the fair value gap. If it gets inversed, then I'm going for shorts, targeting these lows. But yeah, so I'll stay recording for a bit just to see how it plays out. Other than that, there's not really much to it. Look, that's a fair value gap, And yeah, so it's just one big fair value gap on the 15 minutes. Nice rejection off these highs. Let's see what it does here. Oh, it's like I strained my neck when I was sleeping. And when I was going to work yesterday, I couldn't even open a bag of fries. That's how bad it was. You know how weak I felt? Like I wanted to break down there. Break down at work and just be like, bro, what the fuck? I couldn't open a bag of fries. I've never been so immobile in my life. It was terrible. So it's really, I think what it was just not in routine. Like the night before, Tuesday night, I didn't pray. I didn't do my hip mobility. I slept wrong. Like usually I sleep on my back and I slept on my side. Then in the morning, I didn't even walk. I woke up late. I was late for work. And it just became a domino effect, and one thing led to another, and just it broke me. It fucking broke me. Yeah. Shout out my girlfriend though. She came last night, massaged my back. I feel a little bit better. So we're chilling. Alright, see, we're about to let's go on to 15 minutes. Hopefully we inverse this gap. It's a pretty big gap. But if we don't, that's okay. Then I feel like it'll just chop, since this rejection right here in the supply zone, it's gonna have to break through one of these. It can't chop forever, you know? What I need to see is a break, retest, break past this level, retest into this level, and then we enter for this 1 to 3.74. Not bad RR. I think I'll only do what, 2 contracts, 3 contracts? Yeah, 50. Let's do the math. So 50 points times 2 is 100. Yeah, I'll only do 2 cons for 250. I think recording and posting on YouTube is holding me accountable for actions, because, you know, I don't want to look like shit. I want to actually get better at this trading shit, but it all comes down to becoming a better person regardless. You know, having a routine, being mentally prepared, having the good psychology for it, right? But yeah, so let's see what happens here. I think I'll just like doom scroll for a bit. I'll keep recording. I think I'll go yeah, I think I'll just edit this and basically do a time lapse for this portion, because just because I'm waiting. I need to wait for that candle to close. Okay. Oh, we're on 15 minutes. But yeah, we basically inversed it. I don't want to enter now, but I feel like it's gonna bite me in the ass, so I want to be a bit more aggressive with it. So we're gonna wait for... I genuinely need to see this close below. Yeah. So my entry would be right here. I'd wait for a bullish candle. I might even go just one contract. Or yeah. Like this would be my setup right here. Break even. Basically 50%. Have my stop loss a bit over the fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, but it hasn't even inversed yet. So let's just wait, because it rejected off this level. What's the 4 hour doing? Yeah. See, usually I don't like this level, this candle. It's just one strong look here, one strong look here. So I want to see what happens. But I like the setup. Strong rejection off the supply zone. About to inverse this. And let's wait for the 2 minutes, the 9:45 candle. It's just playing around this area. But I do want to be a bit more aggressive with my entry. Okay, we fully inversed. Let's scale down to the 5. Let's wait for a small retest into this position, or let's just wait for the next candle. And we'll do 2 contracts. I want this to hit back up to here. If it doesn't, that's okay. It'll just be, my positioning will just be a little shittier. So we got 1 minute. And are you gonna tap us in? Okay. Tap us in.
Order filled.
There you go. Take profit down here. Win or lose, that's fine. Oh, actually, I want to do... $250. Not gonna move my stop. If it stops me out, that's okay. I'll take the loss. I'll even go for like a 1 to 2. And if anything, I'll trail it. But we'll just let this play out. I do... Yeah. Alright, now we wait. I want to break past this level on the 5 minutes, and then because we have this space, but I like this This area was showing strong buy signals, so I don't think it will go past these lows, which is alright. But I like this entry. Inversed, rejection of supply, continuation, down. It's gonna have to work a lot. Sellers are gonna have to work a lot to get past this level, but it's alright. Win or lose, I like the setup, so I'm not mad at it. Alright, back to doom scrolling. Why is it retracing? Let's see. On the 1 hour, we're bullish. But that's okay. I think I'll get stopped out here. Which is alright. I don't mind. I wonder why this failed. This setup failed. I'm not gonna move my stop or anything. I'm looking for a reason why it decided to fail. I guess it's indication, correction. I guess because this higher low was created, which became our bullish indication. But looking at the higher time frame of 4 hours, indication, correction, I'd want to see this continuation here, but that's okay. I'm assuming that's why. Regardless though, we're not breaking this, so I'm okay with that. And our stop wasn't hit just yet, even if it's just a little drawback. Kind of scared me a bit, but I would like to understand more rather than getting my emotions in play and be like, oh fuck, let me close out. Like, no. If I take the loss, I take the loss. I like this setup. Really like this setup. Price action has been, pretty good recently. But yeah, I guess it's just because on the 1 hour we're bullish, like higher high or yeah, higher highs and higher lows right here, but we're failing to take this high. So let's see if it ranges. If it just consolidates between these two levels, I guess I see another reason why I could lose, but other than that, I'll probably just let this trade play out. This could have also just been a fake out move. But we have 4 minutes until 10 a.m. Let's see what it does. You know what, let's just stay on the 15 minutes. This is a learning process for me. Usually before, I'd be like, oh no, I'm gonna draw down, fuck it, close, like I lost, and then re-enter at a shit position. But I'm cutting my losers quick right here. 250, that's it. I'm done. If I lose. I'm not gonna look for another trade. I actually have shit to do. Gotta do laundry. Get a haircut. But yeah. Let's just keep this trade. Alright, we're about to have that 4-hour candle, that 10 a.m. candle. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it's indecisive of where it wants to go. Let's see, 4-hour candle opens. What are we doing? Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. That's okay. Oh, it's edging it. This happened to me before where it edges it and then oh. Baby, give me one more chance. show you that I love you. Won't you please let me? I treated you bad. Alright, I think I'm gonna step away. I'm probably still gonna record this. Leave it recording. I'm just gonna step away, time lapse it. Win or lose, not mad. Alright. Alright, we're getting edged again. Let's see. It's probably gonna take me out this time. Right? Right? Right?
Order filled.
Yeah. I just wonder why. I guess. Let's see. That 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah. It's just bullish on the 1 hour. So, the 4 hour. Didn't want to continue down after the swing low. It's alright. Alright, we'll be back tomorrow. Easy.